Okay, I just did a round swipe, so my table is a mess, but I'm gonna use up some leftover paint. I have Sapphire by TLPs. I have Ore by TLP. I have Billabong. I have Glisten, and I have Syrah mixed with Velvet, which is a really cool shimmery purple, as you can see right here. So if I do put in any other colors as I go along, I will list them down in the video so you can see what I used, because I might throw the kitchen sink on this. I want to do a swipe. I have some just plain white titanium paint mixed up, and I want to use up some of the paints that I've already got going here. All right, wish me luck for this fun mess I'm about ready to make. I've also never spun a painting this long before, so this is going to be a lot of fun, and who knows what the heck is going to get hit on this table with this spin. This is the only part that I don't like right here. And I really want to mess with it, but whenever I do that, I mess things up more. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. This is probably the second messiest painting I've ever done in my life. The first messy one would be one of my large ones that I did, that I gave to my brother, that looks awesome above his couch. Oh my God, that's like my most favorite painting ever. That one I did a while ago. I'll put a link down in the description below for that one. That's my favorite. But it went wonky in 5 different directions because I spun it, and it's my first time spinning a swipe this long, and I do slightly regret it. I will be completely honest with you. I do regret it. But I will reserve my judgment of how this looks when I see it dry. The beauty of this, I don't like it, I can paint over it. All right, see you guys in a few. What a mess. So I was on the fence with this one, and now I love it. I love it. I love the shimmer. I'm going to show you right now. I love the shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the light is really hitting it. It does have one layer of Grumbacher on it. If you can see it right there, there's shimmer. And then there's some more right over here. I was on the fence about it. I wasn't happy that I spun it, but now I love it. I'm happy that I was able to fix the areas that I thought went a little crazy. I had that dark spot right here, and I fixed it. In fact, where that dark spot is some of the shimmer right there. I believe that's Billabong right there. But the cool part is the glow in the dark. So that is what I'm going to show you right now, is the glow in the dark part, and it is pretty awesome. In fact, I think it makes this just like extra special. All right, here it is. So if you have an idea of what this should be called, please let me know. I love hearing everybody's imagination with different titles and names of things. I'm a word person. I used to be a children's writer, which I have been kind of thinking about getting back into because I've had a couple ideas come into my head. Not that I'm busy at all and have time to write on top of everything else I'm doing. But if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider doing so. If you are subscribed and you came back, thank you very much. And I will see you all in the next project. I'm not sure what color combos I should do next. I did like this swipe, so I might do another long swipe like this, but I'm not going to spin it. I will see you all in the next project. Thank you so much for watching.